That's the one that speaks for itself as you come in the room, for you open your mouth to say hello and good morning and good afternoon. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are not yet a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we are doing a fall edition of What's in My Shower. Fall is a season where our skin tends to fall prey to drying out, ashiness, but that doesn't mean that you still don't need to moisturize, okay? So this is the Shea Soft and Smooth Body Wash. I managed to read that backwards. This is a very moisturizing body wash. There's an added benefit of the smell. Now, if you guys have watched me for the first time, you guys don't know anything about when I start to describe how stuff smells, and I tend to make people hungry. The music's coming in. I'd like to throw a suggestion out there for you to get a bag of chips. Pause me. I will not be offended. I assume you've already gotten your chips. I've given you fair warning. So we're going to proceed. I'm just going to go ahead because you've had your warning. Yes, you have. It smells like a vanilla flavored and scented. If you hear my voice quivering, that's because I'm trying not to make my own self hungry. Yeah. It smells like a creamy vanilla cake icing. Rich, smooth, not too sweet, just sweet enough for you to catch what the smell is. And it's that cream cheese vanilla icing. My God. That, you know what I am talking about. Yes, you do. This smells just like that, but it's not as rich smelling. It's not so sweet smelling until it makes you sick to your stomach. No, it's just sweet enough to capture your senses when you smell it. The moisturizing properties of this, it smooths out the skin on top of giving you that beautiful cake icing scent. It's not a watery consistency. It lathers really well. And it's not thick. It's not thin. It's not watered down. It's right in between. Just like the smell is just sweet enough. It's just right. That is the consistency. So we are in here early with this, but I will not elaborate, and that's for a good reason, and I'm about to tell you guys in a very quick minute. So this is Summer's Eve Lavender Nighttime Cleansing Wash. That is for taking care of your nether regions, your downtown regions, your Lakey parts. It does its job. Long as you don't use this internally, you will be fine, and you will not need a doctor's visit for disturbing your pH balance. And that is all. Very briefly, because I will have a video on this solely about perfume oils. Sweet essentials, I mentioned them in a previous video. I'll link you guys. I think it was the one called How to Smell Good All Day. I have since gotten the 4-ounce bottles. And this is Amber Romance. Still spot on. Because sometimes it could be when you get a trial size of a perfume, it smells potent. And then when you get the full size version, it don't smell as potent. I can confidently say this smells potent, just as potent as the 2 ounce, just as strong. Midnight Poison. This is a rendition of the Christian Dior, just as potent. They are based in North Carolina. They have an online store on eBay. This is not sponsored. I really love their perfume oils, and they're alcohol free, which means it lasts longer. These 2 scents are more fall-like, but I like wearing them throughout the year, interchangeably. What is going on with my pronunciation? Interchangeably. Still doesn't sound right. Anywho, you know what I'm trying to say. With my other scents to suit the other seasons of the year. Once I find something that's my favorite, I stick with it and get a variety. They can be used for any occasion, but Midnight Poison, might want to say that for a special occasion. That's the one that speaks for itself as you come in the room, for you open your mouth to say hello and good morning and good afternoon. Okay. Also, if you're seeing my background, that is a lace wig I just finished full of micro braids, and we will not discuss that right now. And last but certainly not least, we have Nair. Nair is basically a hair removal system. This is good for legs and body. This sprays out. It does have a scent. Keep in mind, I'll let you guys know, this does have a scent that is, it's a faint scent that is there, meant to make it a pleasant experience when you use it. But it still has that underlying chemical smell. Overall, it does get the job done, as well as the one for underarms. Now you see the casing and the packaging mimics very, very similar to deodorant, but this is not deodorant. Okay? Okay. This is for underarms. You guessed it right. It does make your skin smooth as a baby's bottom. Yes, it does. I did forget to mention the both of these in my first what's in my shower video, because I hadn't thought of it until the last minute and I started editing the video. And I said, well, it's too late now. I said, you know what? I'm not going to put it in there. And I put it in text at the bottom of the video. This is a year-round thing. Year-round. Keep it as smooth as a baby's bottom if you could help it. Please do. Whether you have to shave and get a razor, or whether you have to use nail, or V as in Victor, 2 E's as in elephant, and T as in Thomas. Either one of those options, make sure you keep everything smooth as a baby's bottom. And that is what's in my shower for this fall. And until next time, and until the next video,